Welcome to Rolljak AI Question Generator tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the process of enhancing your teaching or workshop with the Rolljak AI Question Generator. To begin, click on Create Session. Navigate to Generate Question to start creating your quiz. Here, you'll encounter 4 distinct categories to fill in the prompt. First up, Topic. Specify the subject or theme of your question. Second, Text. Input the text-based content of your question. The more you write, the better the result. Third, URL. Inject life into your quiz by sharing content from a website or a PDF link. Last but not least, Document. Upload a document or PDF directly. Remember, the max file size is 10 megabytes. Each category provides a unique way to formulate questions, catering to different content types and sources. If you are an educator, get ready to level up by activating Specify Grade to tailor questions from Grade 1 to PhD. Align the questions so that they match the learning goals using integrated Bloom's Taxonomy. Specify Skill to clearly state the skill involved or appropriate level of understanding. Choose how many activities you want, with a maximum of 3. Select activities that fit your quiz vibe. When you're set, hit Generate Questions for instant magic. To make your quizzes even more interactive and engaging, enable collaboration and peer evaluation features. Spice things up and keep your participants hooked. Need more activities? Fire up Rolljak AI and repeat the process. Keep the engagement rolling. Get rolling with Rolljak.